And yes, I'm not a magician, but I know how to create more time. Watch this. In this video, we're going to show you how to create more time. What does time mean to you? What will it do for you? Will it give you more time with your family? Will it give you more time with your projects? Either way, it's important and we need it. First one on my list is procrastination. Procrastination has been a big part of my life. Overthinking about stuff until it becomes like you've already done it. So by the time you get to that task, you just don't want to do it because you've thought about it in your head so many times, it just kills you. A classic example for me would be doing the washing up or cleaning up. I think about it that much that it just becomes this big thing, and it isn't, because you waste that much time thinking about it that it's actually bigger in your head. Don't think about it, because when you get round to it, you'll be exhausted. Second on my list is get the job done. Get the job done. I mean, some days I'll jump on the computer, play an instrument, get into a project that I know nothing about. I haven't been educated. I haven't took the time to think, what's my actual goal here? And I just go and do it, and I can spend hours doing that. It's not good for your mental health, man. Not good at all. Because I'm creating stuff, and I'm spending hours on it, but I'm not getting nowhere because I'm not putting focus into my time. Organisation is next on my list. I'm not going to say I'm totally organised, but I am getting to be more organised as time goes on. Everything being in an orderly fashion. Social media being with social media things, music being with music, folders at home, books on the shelf. As long as it's with its family, it helps you, and it helps you get to your goals quicker and access quicker. A schedule, a place for everything. Even if your schedule's 20 minutes a day, you'll be amazed at yourself what you can do in those 20 minutes, because the amount of focus you put in can make up for those 2 hours you spend procrastinating and letting your mind wander on loads of crap that you don't need to wander onto. So to recap all our pointers today: procrastination, stop thinking and do. It does you no favours thinking. Trust me, I've been there. It's crap. Don't do it. Just go out, make sure you do what you're supposed to do. Don't get distracted by anything, because you'll wander into negativity. And being organised just helps out so much more. And that's about everything for today, but I hope you took something from this. Let me know in the comments what you think down below. Talk to me. Give me your ideas. I want to hear them. But these things are things that I've faced, and now I can put back to the world because I've tackled them and I know how to tackle them. And I hope you can take something from this too. So start counting and get yourself ready.